Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog, but this time I'll be doing a hotel review. The name of the hotel is Hotel Alba Tampa Tapestry Collection by Hilton. Now before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the hotel room with my own money. Now on to the hotel review. Okay, all right. We're gonna start off with the emergency evacuation plan. We are on the 3rd floor, room 339. On top, you have the peephole. Okay. And modern door lock, which you can access with a key card. Okay, off top, you have the door stopper. Okay, to my left, nice view. Let's see if I can get it close. Close. Okay, that's my view. From the room. All right. Now, what's good about this window, you have an electronic shades. Look at that. Well, we're gonna leave it up for lighting purposes, as I think it's around 6 and the sun is going down and I need the light for the vlog. All right, to my left, you have the living room section. By the way, this is a hotel suite. I availed for a king size. Yeah, nice living room set. You have the sofa, 2 comfy chairs, a coffee table, and a little nice personal table. 2 lamps. Okay, behind me is the entertainment system. Okay, and a soft close. And you have your desk and chair. The chair doesn't look comfortable, or maybe, let's see. It's okay. It's okay. Your circular mirror. Peace. More storage. But I don't think the camera saw that. Soft close. Closet. Your ironing board. No lights in the closet. Spare blanket. You want to make coffee? It's right here. All sorts of flavor. Green tea. Breakfast blend. Sink. Ice bucket. This ice bucket is kind of nice. It doesn't look cheap. It doesn't look like the modern. This feels leather. I'm assuming this is complimentary, but just in case. I'm not gonna touch it. And your space. Okay. Your microwave and your small fridge. All right. There you go. Nothing much there but a bottle of water. All right, next up, your long hallway here. Once again, this is a suite, room suite. Long hallway. The bathroom is on the right. But before I show you the bathroom, we have a long mirror, full-size mirror. All right, the bathroom, another mirror with two lights. That was weak. Anyhow, your sink, rectangular sink, complimentary soap, tissue. You want more towels, ample towels, new towels, toilet, standalone shower. What I noticed though, this is not straight. Watch this. See, the bottom, it's already touching the wall, and as you observe, see that? That means whoever did this wasn't using the measurements, laser, or something. But that's just my observation. I don't have any experience with construction by any means. I am not trying to criticize, anyone, or, I'm just here to observe. That's it. We're gonna leave it at that, okay? Okay, so, yep, shower. I like the backsplash, complimentary body wash. Let me see again, let me get a close up. Complimentary body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. It can fit 2 people in there, which I like. Your hook, and that's it. Spacious. If you close the door, I like this bathroom. I would like to have one in my own apartment. One day. Now for the bedroom, with king size bed, let's start off with the entertainment system. Flat screen TV, storage spaces, self-close. It's self-close, you just gotta push it. All right, you have your corner, little chill out chair, cushion chair on top. That's a lamp, okay? The view, see? The view, that's the view. Parking lot, right? And that's the building, nice building. And that's my view. The sun is setting. I'm about to get ready to have dinner to celebrate my extended birthday, May 13th. Right? And of course the bed. right? King size bed, comfortable with 4 pillows. You have your room uh, thermostat here, room controlled. Okay. 2 lamps, 2 nightstand, right? And there's another phone here if you want room service. And your closet space, another closet space. So this hotel room, okay, or should I say hotel suites, have two closet this size and another by the living room. So this is where I put all my stuff. So when it's time for me to pack, I just pack it. I brought a suit with me because I want to dress up for tonight's dinner. All right. You're safe. And it's comfy, man. Like, as soon as I lay down, I fell asleep, man. Fresh sheets, man. It's great. It's great, 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 great. Okay, all right. My final thoughts. First and foremost, let me talk about the check-in process. The check-in process was a breeze. They asked me what's my name, my last name. I handed him my identification, and that's it. He processed 2 key cards, and he directed me to the elevator. That was it. Also, this wasn't my initial room. The story behind that, our initial room was 1109. Nice view, 2 queen size bed. But upon arrival in the room, we noticed it wasn't made up. Towels were on the floor, bed wasn't made up, and we're thinking like, okay, maybe this is the wrong room, or they haven't started making up the bedroom. So we called operations, or we just dialed 0. We informed about the situation, and the lady that was on the phone gave us another room. One level down, 10th floor, and it was a king size bed, but very, very small. It was small. Like the initial room, I'm gonna show you the clip. The first room, 1109, to me that was good. It was up on the 11th floor, nice view, and I mean I didn't have a pool view like right now, but still, I the initial bedroom I would have preferred that. Unfortunately, it wasn't made up, and they gave us the 10th. They gave us the room in the 10th floor. It was small. We called the operator, or the front desk. Let's just say the front desk. And one thing led to another. The lady in the front desk gave us this room, I guess for inconvenience. And on top of that, it was Tuesday, so that's why I like um, doing weekend getaways. I know weekends is considered Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but when I say weekend getaway, that's about what, a day or 2 days. That's what I mean about weekend getaway. Um, but yeah, that's why I like doing short trips during the weekday. First and foremost, it's not that busy. The flights, it's not that busy, and the rooms are a couple of dollars cheaper, and the flights as well, a couple of dollars cheaper. The hotel for 2 nights, it was about $339. What a coincidence, right? My room $339, total $339. Coincidence. Um, but not counting taxes though. And let me discuss about the parking. If you're going to stay in Hotel Alba here in Tampa, be prepared to get charged $18 per night for parking. Now I noticed there's valet. Valet will charge you $24, and that's considering, I think, per night as well. Upon check-in, they will ask for a credit card, okay? And of course, that's sort of like a deposit. Incidentals, they would charge you $50 for incidentals per night, by the way. The good thing about that is the parking is included. Also, we asked for beach towels. Now, there's towels in the pool, but when we called to see if we can get some beach towels, some towel for the beach, because we went to Clearwater Beach, they said they don't have any towels for beach. So if you want to stay here in Hotel Alba and you're planning to go to the beach and you ask for hotel towels, for beach towels, they're going to tell you they don't have beach towel for you. All in all, Hotel Alba is nice. You have the automatic door in the entrance. It kind of like opens up. It has a sensor, but it opens up, which is cool. You know, if anybody wants to do a video, something for, content for your Instagram or TikTok, it's pretty good. It's clean. I noticed no mildew smell, no bugs. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus, that for blessing us with wonderful days such as this one. I have an affiliated link. Hit that link up here in this corner if you want to book a trip through Expedia. Now, once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello, world. Bye, world.